Hi everyone, I am back with a spot prize giveaway. Right, so those of you that took part yesterday will know that I was looking for, you had to name an actor that I had a crush on throughout the years. And I was going to put one name down, excuse me, and then every day add another name because there have been more than one. So the name I put down yesterday, nobody guessed, okay? So I have added another name. As you would have seen in the title, there has been a new prize added in. Now, as it stands, this is the prize for guessing the ones that are on here and any names that are added throughout the week. But some of you actually hit some of the names of actors that I did have a crush on throughout the years that weren't on my one from yesterday. So what I'm going to do is, for instance, okay, let's go through them. So, we have the Holinshed Davis. She said Patrick Swayze. Well, I'd be lying if I said I didn't have a little crush on him throughout the years. So, eventually, he probably would have gone on my list. So, what I'm going to do, everyone that has named someone that I would have gone on the list, your name is going to go in a pot. And one of you will be drawn out at the end of the week. So I hope that makes sense. So the Holinshed Davis said Patrick Swayze. Now, Patrick Swayze has gone now. So anyone that names him after this now, it will not count. So the Holinshed Davis got that one. And this is going in the pot for the prize at the end of the week. Now, I don't have that prize put together. I will do it for tomorrow's video because I haven't sorted any things out yet. So Holinshed Davis, well done. You have an entry into the second prize. Christine Mortimer said Hugh Grant. Yes, I did have a bit of a crush on Hugh Grant. So he's definitely was one. So your name is going in the pot as well. Joanne's Craft said Richard Gere. Well, he would have been probably in my top 5. So well done. So he's going... he's off the list now, and Joanne has got an entry into the second prize. And Crafting by the Pond, Colin Firth. Of course he would have been on my list. Are you crazy? Definitely would have been on my list. So those names are going into the pot for the second prize. And anyone who names other actors that are not on this 1 and 2, that name them today, will go into the entry for the second prize. So I hope that makes sense. Now, so I've added, so there's 2 names on here which no one has got yet. Now I'm going to give you a little clue to them, okay? They are more recent actors. When I say recent, like Richard Gere was like 25, 30 years ago. I know it sounds awful when you say it. These 2, I would say the last 10, 15 years. For these 2, and they have both done films and TV series, these 2. But my number 1, oh my gosh, I was obsessed with the one that's on number 1, and number 2, very gorgeous. So we've got 2 on here. Let's see if anyone gets it right. You can all have another guess now. You only get 1 guess a day. You have to be a subscriber and leave your answer in the comments below. So you've got 2 names now that you might be able to hit, and anyone who hits someone that would go on the list in the future will actually get an entry into the second prize. So Colin Firth has gone, Richard Gere has gone, Hugh Grant has gone, and Patrick Swayze has gone. And these are going into the second prize. So I hope that's all made sense. Well done everyone that's took part, and have another go. Let's see if anyone can get my 2 that are on there at the moment. And like I said, if they aren't guessed, another name will be added on tomorrow, because I do have, I've got my little list back here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there that I can think of, and I'm sure there's more. Oh my gosh, is that bad to say I had so many crushes over the years? But I'd be lying, wouldn't I, if I said I didn't? Who wouldn't have had a crush on these people? Oh, I do have to say something as well. I forgot. Now, as this is my competition, I can make the rules up, right? Now, one of you named someone as someone I would have a crush on, okay? And it made me chuckle so much because It just did. This person she cracks me up. Honestly, she cracks me up. This is someone I did not have a crush on, okay? In fact, it was someone I actually couldn't stand. And I remember as a child, him being on the telly and thinking, oh my gosh. But because this subby really, really made me laugh when they put this down, I'm going to add this into the second prize. And just so that you'll know, I did not have a crush on this person. I am just adding this in because it was hilarious and made me laugh. This and that, Michelle, said Benny Hill. Now, Michelle, seriously, honestly, no. I'm sorry, all you Benny Hill fans out there. I didn't like him. I found him a bit, don't know. But you did make me laugh, so I am going to put this entry into the second giveaway just because you made me laugh so much. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so have another go, and I shall see you all tomorrow. And good luck, everybody. Bye.